while I'm doing that, Connor, do you want to give a little backstory on Trio SEO, maybe a little on us, how you found Steven? Why don't we start with that while I'm checking all the channels?
Yeah, sounds great. What's going on, guys? I know you all know my face a little bit outdated on my LinkedIn profile for the past 9 months, but excited to chat here and talk about SEO, talk about Trio SEO. And yeah, so first off, how do the three of us know each other? Nate and I actually met 12, 13 years ago now, if you can believe it, in a business law class in Connecticut in the United States. So Nate was busy trying to sell baby products and toys online while watching the Yankees play baseball. I happened to be sitting behind him in class and saw what he was up to, wondering why he wasn't taking notes. And it ended up that we connected. I saw that he was starting a business. He was looking for people to help him. And we became, I was one of his first hires. So we worked together. We ended up running an Amazon business for 5 or 6 years, selling a lot of product, hiring a lot of people. And that led us into our second business, FreeUp, which that was where I kind of started to get into SEO. And we saw it as an opportunity to really build all of our businesses going forward. So Nate and I have known each other for 12, 13 years, which is pretty crazy. We've pretty much been married at this point. We've had some fights, we've had some great times, we've had the ups and downs that all entrepreneurs go through. And we're always looking for new opportunities of businesses that we can start. And for the past 5 or 6 years, we've always had business owners and friends come to us and ask, hey, will you guys run our SEO? Will you create content for us? Will you build backlinks? Will you teach us how to do keyword research? They kind of saw that we were doing all this for our own companies and they wanted help with theirs, but it just wasn't the right time. We didn't have time. We were running FreeUp. We were running these other businesses that we have. But at the beginning of this year, I ran into Steven, and you guys will love this because I just met him through LinkedIn. So I think I made a post on Sunday that broke down all of the messages and DMs and texts that we went through. And I forget if I reached out to him or he reached out to me, but we ended up connecting somehow. We collaborated on a post together. We had a networking call. We ended up texting a ton back and forth. It was almost like we were dating a little bit in a sense. And then it led to a point where we got on a phone call and we had a bunch of walk and talks and learned about each other. And that eventually led us to saying, hey, this could be something where we could work together. We can finally build this SEO company we've been thinking about, and Steven can be the CEO and the one to help us kind of run it as well. So super exciting to share all this news with you guys, and thank you for all the support over the past few months. We really appreciate it.